so we're gonna reflect on this circle, I guess it's called. And then we're gonna walk down that way a little bit. And I'm just gonna kind of share a little bit about what's around here. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are. This is a little circle right here. So Macau has a lot of roundabouts with the cars, so you can go around like that. And then so basically people have to try to get in on the roundabout as well. So it's kind of interesting. And then to the background, these tall apartment buildings, they all kind of go towards Taipa village area. And then up that way you can see this mountain up that way, and that's Taipa Grande, and then on the other side is the airport. So you can see some kind of like, looks like a little tower up there. I don't know if that's connected to the airport or if that's something part of the park. But anyways, we're gonna walk behind us in a minute. But yeah, it's kind of interesting, so how people try to get into the circle as well, right? It looks kind of chaotic, but if you're familiar with the roundabouts, I guess it's not so bad. Okay. Just walk this way a little bit. You saw some other videos where I went down this street right here. So this street is like a little bit of a pretty cool little street. And then this is Kingsville apartments. These are other massive apartments. And this used to be Holiday Inn, I think. Used to be a hotel. I don't know what it is now. It changed ownerships. But anyways, we're gonna walk down the street a little bit. Nursery school for kids. And actually it's kind of cool because you see this big balcony up there with all those kind of parks and trees up there. Anyways, we're gonna walk up this one a little bit. Actually, if you go up this way, there's cemetery. So up on that side of this hill, there's like Macau Cemetery for that's quite massive. I think it's one of the larger ones in Macau. And then this whole thing is these apartments, and these apartments are massive. And if you get inside the middle of them, it just looks like a big wall of buildings. Like when you look up, it's just pretty amazing, actually. So okay. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna keep on walking down and show you what's on this street a little bit. And if I can find the name of the street, I'll film that too. Pao Kenche. So it's Pao is bread, and then I think Kench is hot. I think hot bread. Okay, let's see. Actually, everything on here is pretty low priced. Spa. Okay. Let's keep on walking here. Buildings. So okay. Gas station over there, and over there there's kind of University of Macau, that stuff with kind of yellow and green. Let's see what this is. Water supply. Manhattan supermarket. A supermarket has a lot of good food, so a lot of people come here, shop for Western stuff, Portuguese things, organic foods. Let's see what this one is. Waffles. Okay. So yeah, the University of Macau, if I can get it, so that green and yellow over there, it used to be the University of Macau, and now it's kind of a combination of other universities. So, pharmacia. Another pharmacy, I think. Yeah, Chinese medicine pharmacy. Mini bar. Play pool, get some whiskey. So, okay. I'm gonna end this video in a minute. there's another bar called Hive Bar. So there's a couple bars on the street. I think there's at least 3. There's 2 of them right there though, so. Okay. Oh, the sub bar. There's 3, okay. Might be a 4th one too. Okay. Some real estate. So anyways, we're gonna end this right here. So so there's kind of like City University, and I think there's a couple of the universities that took over what used to be University of Macau. And then this is kind of a big popular space to get on the buses right here, called the Treasure Garden stop. Mountain kind of in the background. So okay, so I think we're gonna end it right there.
Toma cuidado la posibilidad.